Meaning NATO countries. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, is a security alliance consisting of 30 North American and European nations that was formed in 1949, with the signing of the Washington Treaty. Using both political and military measures, NATO seeks to ensure the safety and independence of its member states. NATO continues to be the primary security tool and manifestation of the transatlantic community's shared democratic principles. It's the most concrete example of how the security of the Americas and Europe are inextricably intertwined. The expansion of NATO has helped the United States achieve its aim of a united, free, and peaceful Europe. The alliance's central tenet is Article 5 of the Washington Treaty, which states that an assault on one ally is an attack against all. Since the Soviet threat has evolved into a much broader concept, the critical mission in Afghanistan, peacekeeping in Kosovo, and new security threats like cyber attacks, and global threats like terrorism and piracy that affect the alliance and its global network of partners have all necessitated consultations among allies under Article 4 of the treaty. NATO's responsibilities extend far beyond the defense of its member states' territories. The organization also leads the United Nations International Security Assistance Force (ISAF) in Afghanistan and maintains missions in the Balkans and the Mediterranean. It also hosts large-scale training exercises and provides security support to partners all over the world, including the European Union, the United Nations, and the African Union. Authorities that comprise it. About 30 countries throughout Europe and North America are part of the NATO alliance. According to Article 5 of the treaty, if one of the member nations is attacked militarily, it is to be treated as an assault against all members, and the other countries are to provide military aid to the attacked country. List of members' countries. United States, United Kingdom, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, Albania, Lithuania, Bulgaria, Montenegro, Croatia, Czech Republic, Poland, Estonia, Romania, Germany, Slovakia, Greece, Slovenia, Hungary, Spain, Turkey, Latvia and North Macedonia.